this is a very good and interesting case study of using 3D printing or bioprinting in this case for a function to a form fit. And the challenge over here was the application of using 3D printing for a nipple areola complex. Breast cancer survivors, patients who have undergone mastectomy, there's actually a very serious clinical need to be able to restore, if nothing else, the nipple areola complex. And the current clinical solutions for it are actually very lacking, because anything that you do to try to restore this particular tissue does not sustain over long term. So one of the research questions that this particular student asked was, well, can I 3D print that? And this is actually a very interesting material problem and an interesting biological problem, because you want something that can go inside the body and that can maintain form for a very long period of time. And I'm talking about non-degradable tissue, right? But that's still, it cannot be something hard. It's soft tissue, it's still non-degradable. So what she really did was something very interesting, was she 3D printed this construct using a hybrid material of something that is non-degradable, a PEG-based product, and something that is degradable, like gelatin methacrylate, which is a collagen-derived complex. So the reason why you create something that is a hybrid is because you want the form that comes from your PEG construct that does not degrade when you implant, but you want something that is biologically friendly. And that's why she used gelatin that allows for cellular infiltration, that allows for functionality, and more importantly, does not have severe rejection when it is implanted. And it's actually pretty cool because you can actually see the different layers of what she printed. The white was the non-degradable and the pink was the degradable material that she did. And we were able to show that the cells within the degradable construct were alive after 14 days. So there's a lot of research that went into how do you actually print a hybrid material with this particular shape and still retain that shape after you try to digest it. So you can actually see the post-digestion image over there.